Xin chào các bạn. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Paperback channel. And today we are going to learn one of the most important Vietnamese skills you will ever need. Ordering food in a restaurant. So let's get started. First, when you walk into a Vietnamese restaurant, you will want to greet the staff. A simple Xin chào means hello. It's polite and easy to remember. Okay, so try with me. Xin chào. Xin chào. See, you are already off to a great start. When the waiter comes and take an order, they will ask, Anh muốn ăn gì? Anh muốn ăn gì? They will address you as anh if you are a man. Muốn means want. Ăn means eat. Gì is what. And if you are a woman, they will address you as chị. Chị muốn ăn gì? Chị muốn ăn gì? That's me. What would you like to eat? Now it's magic sentence. When you know what you want, you can say cho tôi. Cho tôi means give me. And then you say what you want to order. For example, cho tôi một phở bò. Cho tôi một phở bò. Một means one. Phở bò means Vietnamese beef noodles. So that means give me one beef phở. Remember, when you're ordering, say it with confidence. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Vietnamese waiters will appreciate your effort. Now the waiter will ask you, Anh muốn uống gì? Means what would you like to drink? Or chị muốn uống gì? If you are a woman, you can answer, cho tôi một cốc trà đá. Means give me a glass of iced tea. Or cho tôi một chai beer. Give me a bottle of beer. If you need anything extra like more napkin or utensil, just say cho tôi thêm. Cho tôi thêm. Thêm means extra. And then you add what you need. For example, cho tôi thêm đũa. Cho tôi thêm đũa means give me more chopstick. Simple, right? You can use this phrase for anything you need. For example, cho tôi thêm nước, more water. Cho tôi thêm ớt, more chili. Or even cho tôi thêm rau means more vegetable. Okay, so now you want to order something to go. The word for to go is mang về. Mang về. For example, cho tôi một bún chả mang về. Cho tôi một bún chả mang về means give me one bún chả to go. Alright, you have enjoyed your meal. Now it's time to pay. You can ask for the bill by saying cho tôi tính tiền. Or cho tôi thanh toán means can I have the bill please? You have successfully ordered and paid for your meal in Vietnamese. Now let's review what we have learned by listening the following dialogue. Xin chào. Xin chào. Chị muốn ăn gì? Cho chị một phở bò. Dạ. Chị muốn uống gì ạ? Cho chị một trà đá. Dạ. Em ơi, cho chị thêm rau. Em ơi, cho chị một bún chả mang về. Em ơi, cho chị thanh toán. Hóa đơn của chị đây ạ. Cho chị gửi tiền. Em cảm ơn. Cảm ơn em. And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to order food in the Vietnamese restaurants like locals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Vietnamese lessons. And let me know in the comments what is your favorite Vietnamese dish to order. Hẹn gặp lại.